Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? E-commerce is, well, a fantastic opportunity. You can sell products online. Shopify makes it easy. With Shopify, you can build a successful online store. Think of it like this. Shopify is your online shop window. It's open 24/7. Customers from all over the world can visit. They can browse your products. They can buy anytime they want. It's a powerful way to reach people. It's a great time to start your e-commerce journey. It's a winner. Shopify is popular for a reason. It is user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech whiz. Shopify is affordable. You can start small and grow your business. Shopify is reliable and secure. You can trust it with your business. It offers excellent customer support. They are there to help you succeed. What are you waiting for? First, choose what you want to sell. Find a niche market. What are people passionate about? Next, pick a catchy name for your store. Get a matching domain name. Design your store. Make it visually appealing. Make it easy to navigate. Use high-quality product photos. Write clear product descriptions. Set fair prices. Now you're ready to sell. You have several options for products. You can create your own products. This gives you complete control. You can sell unique items. Another option is dropshipping. You sell products from another company. They handle the inventory and shipping. This allows you to offer a wider variety of products. You don't need to worry about storage space. Section 5. Boost your sales tips and tricks. Make your products look irresistible. Use professional-looking images. Write detailed descriptions. Highlight the benefits. Offer competitive prices. Use search engine optimization or SEO. This helps people find your store online. Run promotions and discounts. These offers attract customers and encourage sales. Section 6. Spread the word, marketing magic. Get social. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Connect with potential customers. Build an email list. Send out newsletters and promotions. Consider paid advertising. Target specific audiences. Create valuable content. Write blog posts. Make videos. Share your expertise. Try influencer marketing. Partner with people who have a large following. Section 7. Happy customers, happy you. Customer service is crucial. Respond to inquiries promptly. Provide helpful information. Be friendly and professional. Go the extra mile to resolve issues. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat customers. They are also more likely to recommend you to others. Section 8. Numbers don't lie. Using analytics. Shopify provides analytics tools. These tools track your store's performance. You can see which products are selling well. You can see where your customers are coming from. This data helps you make informed decisions. You can adjust your strategies accordingly. Section 9. Take the leap. Your Shopify adventure awaits. Starting a business can be daunting, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Shopify makes it easier than ever. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your dreams. Take the first step. Create your Shopify store today. Embrace the world of e-commerce. Your successful future awaits.